morning. We are on our way to Copley, Ohio this morning. We gotta go through Pittsburgh. Had to get a little bit of fuel at that TA because this Flying J over here is closed. It still shows open on their app and open on the trucker path, which was awesome. So I had to get fuel at TA, and so I've got a receipt I've got to turn in, and they'll reimburse me for the $50 I put in it. So that gave me a little over a quarter. I had less than an eighth, and there was no way I was making it to the next Flying J, which is about 95 miles down the road. So we'll get that turned in, and they'll reimburse me for that, and they'll just put that right into my bank account, which is good. Ah, come on, there's no collision warning there. It's just a road. There's nobody in front of me. I have a barrier right in the middle of the road, and it's in a curve. See, that's the kind of stuff that driver-facing camera will turn on for. It's a bunch of crap. But whatever. So we're going to get down the road, and I'm going to try to do the pros and cons today. I think I've got a few. Not many, but a few. So we'll do that. Yay, toll. Let's get us some easy pass. So we are on the outskirts of Pittsburgh. Not actually going to go to Pittsburgh, apparently. We're going around Pittsburgh. It's about 20 miles to my left. Butter. Oh. I like the scenery up here. They can have all these mountains, man. Killing my gas mileage. Killing it. Didn't help I had to go out of route to get fuel either. But whatever. Go through some more tunnels this morning. That was always fun. So excuse me. Everybody always talks about Arkansas and how we've got hillbillies and you know, that kind of stuff. I will tell you, up here in the Appalachians, you got some hillbillies. Just like Arkansas. I passed 2 communities earlier, and both of them were made out of nothing but RVs that looked like they had been there forever. been there so long they had built like lean-to houses on them. And just hundreds of them. Out there hillbillying it up. Bet they don't come to town but twice a year. I've got an uncle that does that. I don't think he leaves his house very much. Lives up in the hills near Pocahontas. He had a heart attack a couple of months ago. Maybe it was just a month ago. I hope he's doing well. I haven't seen any updates from my cousin yet. I've seen 2 signs for ski resorts. I bet they don't have a lot of skiing going on this winter. I've not seen any snow since I've been up here. I would have found that unusual, but it has just been kind of rainy. We got 111 miles to go, and should have been there by now, but we'll get there. So let's go. This is my nice clean tarp. Look at this stuff. It's like the stickiest clay I've ever seen. It's ridiculous. Lord. So I asked the guy what this stuff was, and he said it was gravel. I said, no, the stuff on the gravel, because I know what gravel is. And he said it's a powdered, it looks like almost gypsum. Some kind of powder they put on their gravel so that when it dries, it's like concrete. Well, I got news for them. When it's wet, it is an effing mess. This stuff is all over me. I just washed my truck. Now I'm going to have to put those stinking tarps on the next product that I get, and they're going to be covered in this stuff. I mean, they're not black anymore. And I just had them washed last night with my truck. And now they're this beige color. This stuff is all over me. This is ridiculous. You would think they would have a dry area. At least one dry area for people to pull the tarps off. But I didn't see any. And if it sounds like I'm complaining, I am. It's par for the course for this week. You guys stay tuned for the pros and cons. I'm gonna do those tonight when I get parked. I gotta go to Kentucky, it looks like, after this. So, yeah. Let's go to loading, or not, so crap, unloading, because he's unloading me now. So I looked at my pre-plan, and it said that they want me to pick up in Kentucky and deliver in Michigan on Friday. 352 miles. That's not, it cannot be, there's just no way that Kentucky to Michigan is 352 miles. And plus, I'm going home. So I called them, and they're going to try to get that changed for me to get me home on Friday, because I need to get my butt home. So we'll see. So according to Google Maps, it's almost 400 miles. And they were going to give me 2 days to get there. Does that sound right? That doesn't sound right. But they need to get that changed. Definitely. Well, they don't really have any loads other than that one that they're trying to send me to. They're going to try to see if they can maybe repower it to somebody else. Get me home. And the one time I want to go home, like really need to go home, they stick me out. It's not happened, but this is the second time, so don't think it's something that happens all the time. It is not. But I mean, I'm not the one that sent me to Massachusetts. All right, so let's go to Kentucky, I guess. Hell, I could do this, get this there tomorrow. He's gonna see if he can get if he can't get it repowered, which is swapping a load or whatever, so I can get home. He's gonna see if he can get the delivery date changed to tomorrow. Because I mean, dang, I can be there tomorrow.
Stay on Ohio 162 West Copley Road and then turn right.
It's 380 miles. The only problem is getting these stinking tires off my catwalk, pissing me off. I've got a bulb out because it hit that tire.
Stay on Ohio 162 West Copley Road and then turn right.
And they're in the way. That's part of the frustrating part. This guy in the Jeep in front of me must be an Iron Maiden fan. See his tire cover? I was an Iron Maiden fan when I was a kid. Used to have a bunch of their albums. This guy in this van right here, I guess, is in a hurry. Thank you, Mr. Van Guy. We're at the customer. We've been here before. I've driven through snow, sleet, and now rain today, this afternoon. Always fun. And my fleet manager is working on maybe getting a swap load for this one, or maybe trying to get the date changed to tomorrow. So we can try to get home on Saturday. We'll see. Going in. Make sure we're going in without hitting anything. Make that corner. Yep. Made the corner. All right. I deeply apologize. It is like 10 o'clock here, and I am just now done getting loaded and all that stuff. I'm going to have to do the pros and cons tomorrow. I am sorry. I've got them all written out. I just don't have the time to do it right now. But tomorrow I will get them done. I'll get the video up, and once again, I do apologize. I am so sorry. But I appreciate you watching, and tomorrow we'll get to the customer. It looks like I'm still going to Michigan, so we'll get to the customer tomorrow, and I should have a half a day to sit if they won't unload me. So, um, you guys sit tight and join me tomorrow, and I'll do my pros and cons tomorrow. Appreciate you.